was conducted by Henrik Makaruku from Patimura University and published in the journal Lingtera. Next. The background of the study. Vocabulary is essential for mastering English skills. However, many 7th grade students at SMP 4 Tanwil struggle with basic vocabulary, affecting their ability to learn English actively. This calls for a teaching method like picture cards to support better understanding and retention. As we know, English is an important subject at junior high school level. One of fundamental aspects of language learning is vocabulary level. In primary study, it was found that 7th grade students at SMP 4 Negeri Taniwel still struggle with basic vocabulary such as small, pocket. This indicates a weak vocabulary mastery. The research problem. The first one is low vocabulary mastery among 7th graders, inability to retain words in long-term memory, and the last, lack of engaging and effective media. From the observation, two main problems were identified. First, students have difficulty remembering vocabulary for a long time. Second, the teaching media used are less engaging and do not help memory retention. This becomes the reason why picture cards were used as the learning media. Next, objective. To improve the vocabulary mastery of 7th grade students at SMP Negeri 4 Taniwel by using picture cards as a visual and interactive learning medium. This method aims to make vocabulary learning more engaging, support long-term memory, and enhance students' overall English proficiency. The subject of this research is simple but important. To improve student vocabulary mastery through the use of picture cards. Next is methodology. The type classroom action research. Participant 24/7 grade students at SMP Negeri 4 Taniwel. Duration 2 weeks. Instrument observation, field notes, interview, and vocabulary text. This research used a classroom action research method based on the Chemist and MC Taggart model. There were 2 cycles implemented, consisting of planning, action, observation, and reflection. The subject of this study were 24 7th grade students at SMP Negeri 4 Taniwel. Okay. The next is picture cards as a teaching tool. The first one, visual aids with words and image. Second, encourage pronunciation, writing, and meaning recognition. And the last, fun interactive, includes group game and quizzing activities. Picture cards are small cards containing pictures and words representing certain objects or activities. This media helps students understand the meaning visually, practice pronouns, and learn spelling and usage. In this study, picture cards were used in games and discussion group. The next is the cycle 1 implementation. Active conducted using picture cards. The problem, student passive and shy. And then difficulty pronunciating and memorizing words. In this result, 75% achieve less than 5 showed varied enthusiasm. Some were active while others were shy and confused. The test results showed 75 of students scored less than 70, with average score of 75.1. This means the success indicator was not yet achieved. Okay. The next is cycle 2, improvement. Solution: a group work and games. With word guessing, and then pronunciation practice and motivation. The teachers give rewards, and the result 91.606% achieved, less than 70 average score is 84.5, meet success criteria. For the second cycle, improvement were made. Students were divided into small groups and given a word guessing game using picture cards. The researchers also provide motivation and reward for students who scored 100. The results were very positive. Participation increased and 91.6% of students scored less than 70 with an average score of 84.5. This is the result, the graph comparing cycle 1 and cycle 2. It clearly shows an increase from 75% to 91.6% of students meeting the minimum passing grade or KKM. This means the use of picture cards successfully improves student vocabulary mastery. Under conclusion, picture cards effectively improve student vocabulary mastery and engagement. Students become more active, confident, and their test score increase significantly. Visual and interactive learning make the class more enjoyable and effective. From this research, it can be concluded that using picture cards is not only effectively improving vocabulary mastery but also increase student participation and confidence. This method is highly recommended for English teachers at the junior high school levels. And the recommendation, the first one is teachers should consider using interactive media like picture cards. And the second, incorporate games and group activities for language learning. And then repeat exposure, long-term vocabulary retention. The researchers recommend that teachers consistently use interactive media like picture cards combined with games or word group and to boost students' learning motivation. Okay, this is the reference of the article. And to conclude my presentation, I hope this useful and can be inspire for more engaging learning media in our teacher practice. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.